Welcome. This is a presentation about International Business Fast Track at the Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences. My name is Olivia Torres. I am a lecturer of International Business and the coordinator for International Business Fast Track. In this video, I will walk you through what Fast Track entails and tell you more about why this is so interesting for international-minded students. What is the Fast Track program? In addition to the 4-year study program, we also offer an intensive 3-year study designed only for students who have a Dutch VWO or hold the equivalent international diploma, such as the International Baccalaureate. If you are an international student and are not sure if you qualify, please contact our international office and they will be happy to check your documents and advise you on this. But who are our students? Every academic year, around 100 students enroll in the Fast Track. Our classes are a mix of Dutch students and students from all over the world who decide to come to study in the Netherlands. They tell us that they like the diversity of backgrounds and the fact that many of the lectures are also internationals, what brings an extra depth to our study. About our program overview. Fast Track is more intensive than the regular track, as you study Fast Track for 3 years instead of 4. It condenses the subjects while still covering the same competencies. We also follow 3 main learning lines. The business line with subjects as marketing, finance, operations, and research. The soft skills line with subjects as personal development, teamwork, and professional behavior. And also a foreign language, depending on your background. You can choose between Dutch or Spanish. How will you be assessed during your study? Being an University of Applied Sciences, our assessments are very practice-oriented. You must think of a combination of individual and group presentations, projects, written assignments, and in the case of your foreign language, you will get 1 oral and 1 written exam at the end of each semester in order to assess your level. You will earn in year 1 60 European credits, and at the end of your study, 180. And that is the standard for a fast-track European bachelor degree. And what makes our curriculum stand out? Our students tell us that they like the combination of business cases, personal development subjects, the fact that you are learning a language, that you are developing many intercultural competencies, also that you have the option to go 1 semester abroad to a partner university or to stay in the Netherlands following a minor of your liking, the fact that you follow a specialization in year 2, and also that you will complete an internship at a company in the Netherlands or abroad. In this slide, you will see more about our subjects in year 1. The academic year is divided into 2 semesters, and each semester is divided into 2 blocks of 10 weeks, and they are 7 weeks of lessons, followed by a study week and exam weeks. You will study subjects as qualitative research or finance and accounting or business law, but also academic writing, professional development, project management, and during the first academic year, you will study your foreign language. In year 2, during the first semester, you will choose a specialization out of supply chain, organization and change, or marketing, and will study other subjects as business communication, intercultural proficiency, ethics and sustainability, and this third semester will be the last one of your language. In the second semester of year 2, you will complete an internship at a company in the Netherlands or abroad. At this point, many students choose to go abroad, and that is something that we encourage, as internationalization is a key element of our study. Yes, imagine completing your internship at a company in an exciting city as Barcelona or Berlin. How interesting could that be? Experiencing a different working culture, developing new professional skills. Very interesting for your future employer in this global job market. In the third year of your study, during the first semester, you will have the opportunity to choose to study a semester at a partner university. Or if you prefer, you can choose a minor of your liking and at any of the studies of the Rotterdam Business School or elsewhere in the Netherlands. But more about this. Imagine spending one semester at one of Tokyo's universities. How exciting could that be for yourself and your career? But back to year 3, in the second semester of year 3, you will start your thesis semester, and by the end of it, you will be ready for the professional world. I would like to take a moment to reflect on the difference between a university of applied sciences and a research university. Universities of applied sciences offer practice-based learning, but what does it mean? Let me give you an example. Our first-year students get a subject called business game. It's a subject in the last block of the school year that's going to make a whole simulation on a business game. And we are going to apply the theory. Your team is going to step in the role of managing a manufacturing company, making tough decisions in areas as marketing, if you will upgrade products, if you will expand your factory, financial issues, if you will sell your products internationally or domestically. So this is an example of our business game. In this case, students are working on a cars manufacturing company, and they have to take decisions on the types of vehicles that they are going to be improving, changing. So, and our students are going to analyze the market, consumer segments, the sales, the economic outlook. Also, they will analyze the competition, many things that they have learned throughout the school year, and they will apply it. What they tell us is that they like a lot the interactive part of this game, and also they discovered that some of the decisions that they made could have been different, which makes it very interesting. So I hope that you have liked this example and you understand better the difference between a university of applied sciences and a research university. But let's move on. What else is good to know about international business? Well, the city we are located at, it's a plus. Rotterdam is one of the most dynamic cities in Europe. It's full of professionals and entrepreneurs. It's innovative, modern, and the students really love to study here. A lot of companies, a lot of networking, also very interesting if you want to stay here and complete your internship in Rotterdam or later in your graduation semester to find a very interesting company. Another plus is our building. It's modern, it's well equipped, it's a place full of rooms to collaborate, to work in projects, very sustainable. Our students really love to be here and work here. And of course, the students and the staff, full of motivated students and motivating lectures. It's the place to be. So if I had to describe international business fast track, I would say it's challenging, dynamic, globally minded, for motivated students, and also in 3 years' time. If you are interested in studying international business fast track, please, this is the link to register. I also have 2 QR codes for you. One for the Dutch students who have studied the secondary school in the Netherlands, and the other one for the international students who have studied their secondary school abroad. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation and that you make the right decision that feels right for you. Wishing you all the best. I hope to see you soon. Bye.